Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple ID password without any email address or without asking for your number. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, first of all, go to the settings app and then scroll down, go to general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on erase all content and settings. Tap on continue. Enter your iPhone passcode. Tap on skip backup. So iPhone is asking for Apple ID password. Enter the Apple ID password to turn off Find My and activation lock. So guys, I don't know the password of my Apple ID. So what you need to do? So simply tap on forgot password. So enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, enter your iPhone lock screen passcode here. Wait for it. So you can see guys, now you can change your Apple ID password without any email address or without any phone number required. So guys, enter your new Apple ID password here and then enter your new Apple ID password here and then tap on simply next. So guys, your password will be changed without any phone number or without any email address required. So guys, here is the simple solutions to reset your password. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.